This video will guide you through reviewing an advisory agreement. Advisory agreement review is an essential process for both advisors and clients who want to understand the terms before entering into a working relationship. If you have received an advisory agreement and need to review it, then this video is for you. Before we start, just a brief disclaimer. The following information is provided for educational purposes and in no way constitutes legal advice. For legal advice, we encourage you to consult a licensed attorney. We have also provided more information in the description, including how to find a lawyer. We will cover top considerations when reviewing an advisory agreement, key terms to find and understand in your document, and cost to hire a lawyer for review. We have also added a link in the description below with information on legal fees. Now let's get started. Top considerations for advisory agreements. Advisory agreements are legally binding agreements between advisors and clients that can significantly impact your professional relationship. Before diving into specific terms, here are some top considerations to keep in mind. Advisor status. Ensure that the agreement clearly defines the advisor's role and responsibilities, distinct from an employee relationship. Confidentiality. Advisors often have access to sensitive information. Ensuring confidentiality clauses are present is crucial. Compliance with laws. Advisory agreements must comply with legal and regulatory requirements in the relevant industry. And consider hiring a lawyer. It's always a good idea to hire a lawyer to review an advisory agreement. They can ensure it is compliant and help explain industry standard terms. We have added a link in the description to help you find one. Key terms to understand. Advisory agreements contain many important terms that you should understand. Here are some key terms to look for. 1. Parties involved. Confirm the names and details of all parties are accurately stated. Make sure the full legal names are used. 2. Scope of services. This section should clearly outline the services to be provided, including timelines and deliverables. 3. Payment terms. Review the section detailing how and when the advisor will be compensated. 4. Intellectual property. Understand who owns any intellectual property created during the advisory engagement. 5. Termination. Look for conditions under which the agreement can be terminated by either party, including any required notice periods. 6. Liability and indemnification. These clauses outline responsibilities and protections in the event of losses or damages incurred. And 7. Dispute resolution. Familiarize yourself with the methods for resolving disputes, such as mediation or arbitration. Average cost to hire a lawyer. Hiring a lawyer to review your advisory agreement is recommended. Contracts Council's marketplace enables you to post your project and receive competitive bids from lawyers to compare. Based on recent data, the average cost to review an advisory agreement is $440 on a flat fee basis. This is based on recent projects from across various U.S. states. Legal fees can vary based on the following factors. State or location. Lawyer fees may vary based on where they are located. For example, a lawyer in New York City will likely have a higher rate than a lawyer in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Length of contract. Given lawyers traditionally bill by the hour, a longer contract with more pages will require more of their time, which can make the legal costs higher. Complexity of terms. If there are complicated terms in the agreement, it can increase legal fees since it will require the lawyer to spend more time working on the project. And service required. You can hire lawyers for different services. If you simply need the contract reviewed and explained, this will be a lower fee than also meeting the contract redlined and negotiated. Reviewing an advisory agreement is critical to ensuring you protect your rights and foster a successful professional relationship. If you need help from an experienced lawyer, feel free to search Contracts Council or visit contractscouncil.com and post a job to get quotes from lawyers to help you. Thanks for watching.